She set out to learn 10 new phrases every week. The CEO gave the keynote address at the annual event. Should you have any questions, feel free to ask. The year-end party is held in the banquet hall. Don't pass up the chance to practice your English. Pay a visit to Simple English JP for your next lesson. A power outage stopped the event for 30 minutes. Check the bulletin board by the entrance for updates. The internship includes room and board near Kyoto. The letter was addressed to whom it may concern.